from the model question paper number 1 of 18 Mat 11. Question number 2a. Find the pedal equation of the curve r to the power m is equal to a to the power m cos m theta plus sin m theta. The first question in question number 2. Let's solve this question. Given the curve is r to the power m is equal to a to the power m times cos m theta plus sin m theta, right? We want to find the pedal equation of this curve, that is p is equal to r sin phi is the formula to find the pedal equation. Okay, now for every polar curves you should take log on both sides. So your log r to the power m can be written as m log r. That's equal to log m into log n, that is log m plus log n, that is log of a to the power m plus log of cos m theta plus sin m theta. Next, differentiate with respect to independent variable, that is theta. We will get differentiation of m log r, m is constant, differentiation of log r is 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to differentiation of, this is a constant, a is constant, a to the power m is constant, so log a to the power m is constant, differentiation of that constant is 0, plus differentiation of log term is 1 divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta, and differentiation of cos m theta is minus m sin m theta, and differentiation of sin m theta is m cos m theta, right? Now m is common, you can take out, and this value 1 by r dr by d theta is cot phi is equal to, m is common here, so taken out, remaining term is cos m theta minus sin m theta, cos m theta minus sin m theta divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta. Now let's divide each and every terms of the LHS by cos m theta divided by cos m theta, and here m gets cancelled, cot phi will be cos by cos, that is 1, minus sin by cos is tan m theta divided by 1 plus tan m theta. Further, this is 1 means tan of pi by 4, tan 45 degree, right? So tan pi by 4 minus tan m theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4, that is 1, into tan of m theta, that is tan a minus b form, a is equal to pi by 4 minus m theta, or you can write in terms of cot, that is cot of 90 minus theta, theta is pi by 4 minus m theta. So value of cot phi will be cot of pi by 2 minus pi by 4, that is pi by 4, minus into minus becomes plus sin m theta, or else phi value is cot of cot inverse gets cancelled, pi by 4 plus m theta, value of phi. Now we know that p is equal to r sin phi is the pedal equation of the polar curve. So pedal equation is p is equal to r sin phi. So substitute the value of pi here, that is p is equal to r sin of pi value is pi by 4 plus m theta. Further, r into sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. The value of sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and also cos pi by 4, cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. That term is common, so I will take 1 by root 2 outside. Remaining is cos m theta plus sin m theta. That's the value of p. Now, given curve is r to the power m is equal to a to the power m cos m theta plus sin m theta. The value of cos m theta plus sin m theta is r to the power m divided by a to the power m. Right? So here this value r divided by root 2 as it is. The value of cos m theta plus sin m theta is r to the power m divided by a to the power m. R to the power m divided by a to the power m. Therefore, Cadell equation is root 2 a to the power m p, okay, is equal to r to the power m plus 1 is the Cadell equation of the required Cadell equation or Cadell equation of the polar curve. Next, second problem, that is 2b. Show that the radius of curvature of the catenary, that is y is equal to c times cos hyperbolic at x by c at any point x comma y varies as the square of the ordinate at that point. So here ordinate is nothing but y value, abscissa means x value, ordinate means y value. We want to prove that radius of curvature square of the radius of curvature, that is rho, is varies as a proportional to square of the ordinate, that is y square. We're going to prove radius of curvature is square of y. Okay, so let's solve this question. I want to prove rho is proportional to square of the ordinate. So given curve is y is equal to c times cos hyperbolic x by c. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. It's an Cartesian curve. So y dash or y1 is equal to c is constant. Differentiation of cos hyperbolic is sin hyperbolic x by c, and differentiation of inner term x by c is 1 by c, and c gets cancelled here. So y1 value is sin hyperbolic x by c. Next, again differentiate with respect to x. Again we will get y2 is equal to, differentiation of y1 is y2, sin hyperbolic differentiation is cos hyperbolic x by c, into differentiation of x by c is 1 divided by c. Okay. Now write the formula for radius of curvature, that is formula is rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square to the power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Substitute, that is 1 plus y1 square, that is sin hyperbolic square x by c to the power 3 by 2 divided by y2 is 1 by c cos hyperbolic x by c. And the hyperbolic identity is cos h square theta minus sin h square theta is equal to 1. This is the hyperbolic identity. So 1 plus sin h square theta, 1 plus sin h square theta will be cos h square theta. So you can write 1 plus sin h square x by c as cos h square theta is x by c here to the power 3 by 2 divided by, okay, c is the numerator term, denominator of the denominator c, and cos hyperbolic x by c. That is, square and square root gets cancelled. C times cos x power 3 x by c, and denominator we have cos h x by c. Again, it's cancelled, so square remains. So answer is rho is equal to c times cos h square x by c. Further, we want to prove radius of curvature. Rho is proportional to y square. So given y is equal to c times cos hyperbolic x by c. So the value of cos hyperbolic x by c is y by c, right? Y divided by c. So I will write this as c times cos hyperbolic x square x by c is y by c the whole square, right? Because cos hyperbolic x by c will be y by c, so that's square. One of the c gets cancelled here, so rho is equal to y square divided by remaining c. Further, c is a constant here, c is a constant, therefore rho is proportional to y square. Since c is constant, proportionality constant I will take. So rho is proportional to y square. Therefore, radius of curvature is varies as square of the ordinate, that is square of the y value. Hence the proof. Okay. Next, the third question to see. Show that the angle between the pair of curves r is equal to a log theta and another curve, polar curve, r is equal to a divided by log theta. The angle between these two curves is 2 tan inverse e. You want to show the angle between these two curves is equal to 2 tan inverse e. Okay. So let's solve this. Question number 2c. Given r is equal to a log theta and one more curve r is equal to a divided by log theta. So for the polar curve, we should take log on both sides first. So log r equal to log a plus log of log theta, because log n into log n is log m plus log n. So log of n is log theta. Similarly here also log r equal to log m divided by n is log m minus log n. So log of n is log theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta both the curves. We will get differentiation of log r is 1 by r dr by d theta. Differentiation of log a is a constant, so 0. Differentiation of log is 1 by log theta. Further differentiation of log theta inner term is 1 by theta. Similarly, for the second curve, 1 by r dr by d theta is the differentiation of log r is equal to differentiation of log a is 0 minus differentiation of log theta is 1 by log theta into differentiation of log theta is 1 by theta. So we know that 1 by r dr by d theta is cot phi is 1 divided by theta log theta. Similarly, I will take the first curve as angle between the radius vector and the tangent as phi 1, and for the second curve cot phi 2, angle between the radius vector and the tangent, that is phi 2 here, minus 1 divided by theta log theta. Now I will take the reciprocal of this, that is tan phi 1 will be theta log theta, and the reciprocal of cot is tan phi 2 will be minus theta log theta. Okay. Now I want to find the angle between these two curves. So angle is nothing but modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2 I want to find. Okay. So let's take tan A minus B formula, that is tan of modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. Formula is modulus of tan phi 1 minus tan phi 2. Okay. Modulus is just to avoid the negative value here, that's all. Okay. Modulus of tan phi 1 minus tan phi 2 divided by 1 plus tan phi 1 into tan phi 2. Okay. Inside the modulus sign. So substitute the values, that is modulus of tan phi 1 is theta log theta, tan phi 2 is minus theta log theta, so you can write minus of minus plus theta log theta divided by 1 plus theta log theta into minus theta log theta, or 2 theta log theta 2 times repeated, divided by 1 minus theta log theta the whole square, or theta square log theta the square. Now given curves r is equal to a into log theta, right, and r is equal to a divided by log theta. This can be written as, I want to find the value of log theta. So a log theta is equal to, left hand side is r, a divided by log theta from the second curve, or a gets cancelled here, log theta into log theta, that is log theta the square is equal to 1, or log theta is equal to 1, or further theta is equal to inverse of log, that is exponential e to the power 1, right? E to the power 1, or e is the value of theta. Now substitute this in equation number 1. Your equation 1 becomes, that is tan of modulus phi 1 minus phi 2. Phi 1 minus phi 2 represents the angle between the curves, is equal to, I take this equation as equation number 1, that is 2 times theta, theta value is e, log theta value is 1, right, divided by 1 minus theta value is e square, log theta is 1, that square, or that's equal to 2e divided by 1 minus e square for the angle between the curves is equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2, that is tan inverse of 2e divided by 1 minus e square. Okay. So this represents tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Formula is 2 tan inverse x. Here instead of x we have e. The value is tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square is 2 tan inverse x. Here x is replaced by e. So 2 tan inverse of e. Right. So angle between the curves is 2 times tan inverse e. Is the final answer. Next, the next video, I am going to discuss first module of 18 Mat 11 model question paper number 2. Okay. Thank you.